SEO, or search engine optimization, are the activities that let search engines like Google and Bing find your website, understand what it's about, and deliver it to customers searching for your products and services. The vast majority of this is not about technology. It's more about the structure of the site and the content you write on the pages. In this series of videos, we will look at the three cornerstones of effective SEO: technology, relevance, and sharing, as well as showing you a few links and sites that can give you additional information and help. Very little of this requires any degree of technical expertise, and is very much in your hands. For search engines to be able to engage with your website, first and foremost, it has to work properly. Now, in most cases, the technology is taken care of by the platform you're building it on, WordPress, Yola, Wix, etc., or from a web developer that you're employing to build the site for you. However, there are elements of technology that you can impact on yourself or that you need to know about so you can challenge your developer if you don't think they're in place. In this day and age, an extensive knowledge of programming languages like HTML are not necessary to build an effective website. It is still very much your job to engage with the website, understand how it works, and to make improvements yourself. Google in particular have put a huge emphasis on mobile websites over the last few years, significantly changing the way they appear in their search results. As a result, if you don't have a mobile-friendly website, you will suffer in the rankings of anyone searching for your products or services through a mobile device. Currently, 51% of all internet access is conducted on mobile technology, be it smartphones or tablets, with an average of 2.8 hours spent daily accessing online content via mobile tech, compared to 2.4 hours on desktop. This is an increase of 600% over 5 years and a trend that will continue to grow. When developing a website, ensure that you or your developer are using a responsive template. These templates will automatically detect the technology displaying the site and reorganize the page so it's easy to read and navigate on any device. If you are not mobile friendly, then go to your web building site or to your developer and change your template to a responsive one. Due to location tracking technology, mobile is very powerful for local business, as Google will deliver content that is relevant to the current location of the user. A good mobile-friendly website puts your business in your customer's pocket, a very powerful place to be. Links are an excellent way to aid navigation of your site, keep your customers interested, and to help Google rank your content. But make sure they're relevant and there for a reason, otherwise Google may consider them to be spam. There are three main types of link you can integrate into your site. Internal links. These links lead to other pages within your site, and it's a great way to direct your customers to relevant content. When you're writing for each page, consider what other pages of your site relate to it and provide a link. Appropriate use of internal links helps your customers navigate your website and understand the benefits of using your products or services, and hopefully lead to a sale. External links. These are links that take your visitors to other websites away from your website. Google sees this as a website that is current and trying to inform and invest in their clients. The link could be to a relevant website, a white paper, your professional association, or just something you think your clients will find interesting. An important thing to remember that when you create the link, you select the option to open in a new tab. This means that the new content will open in its own tab on the browser and leave your web page where it was. So when the visitor is finished reading the link, they can get back to your website and continue their journey. Google will measure the relevance of the links, so make sure you keep as many links as possible relevant to your business and to your customers' needs. Backlinks. Backlinks are when your website or any of its content is mentioned on another website with a link back to you. Google will see this as a recommendation for your site, and it can greatly impact your SEO. However, be aware that with any SEO activity, the links need to be from relevant and authoritative sites. If you're a florist, a backlink from a plumbing site is not going to be useful. Cultivate relationships with other sites and appropriate organisations. Writing blogs on current topics and trends is also a good way to get your content shared. Links, regardless of their type, have a multitude of benefits for a website. Take some time to understand where they add value to your site. But, most importantly, make sure they work. Nothing upsets a customer, or Google for that matter, faster than a link that goes nowhere. Check them regularly and fix them if they're broken.